If your RTO's Google business profile is either not set up yet or you started filling it in and never finished, this video is gonna sort that out in about 3 minutes. I'm gonna walk you through the whole thing live on the screen, every step, what to put in each field, and there is one setting that most RTOs completely get that wrong, which makes a huge difference on how you show up in local searches, so pay attention for that. Let's start. Step 1. Find or create your profile. The first step is search Google Business Profile. It will show you this, or you can directly head to business.google.com and sign in. Click here and it will show you this interface and click Add Create Your Profile. So before you create anything, search for your RTO name first, because Google sometimes auto create basic profile for businesses and you wanna claim it rather than making a duplicate. If it shows up, click claim this business and verify ownership. That's it, it's yours. And if nothing comes up, click add your business to Google and create it from scratch, which is what I am doing here. Another thing I want to highlight here, for verification in 2026, Google mostly does this by video. They ask you to record a short clip showing your business name, sign, and the inside of your space, one continuous talk, no cuts, walk in the front door, show the sign, slow pan of the room, done. Right? And you will understand why I'm telling you in the very start. Once we finish that profile, you will understand more easily. Step 2, fill in your details. So once you jump here, that interface, create your profile, click here, and it will redirect you to that interface. If you already have Google Business Profile, it will show you this. So in our scenario, I'm just going to create a new one to explain you how you can create it by yourself. Here you have to add your RTO business name. In my case, I'm just going with AS Training. As I'm going to fill all these entries, one thing I want to clarify, all the data that I'm going to paste is just a dummy content. You just have to understand the process and then you have to add your real business data. The process is exact the same that I'm doing here. You just have to add the correct data. That's the point. So here I just added my business name. In your case, you have to add your real organization name. And then this one is a big thing. It's primary category. This is the single most powerful ranking lever on your entire profile. And most RTOs just pick school or education when they should be way more specific. For most RTOs, vocational school is gonna be heaps more powerful, because the more specific your category, the more Google knows exactly who to show your profile to. So in my case, I'm just going with vocational school. Hit next. Next, here you have to add your location, and if you don't have any physical location, then you can click at no. I just click on yes to explain you. Alright, I just added a dummy address here. In your case, you have to add your real exact business address if you have, otherwise you have to select no. Next, on the basis of that address, it will show you all these profiles, and if anyone exists with your same address or with your same business details, you can select and tell Google Business Profile, this is me. In most of the cases, you have to click none of these. Next. So most of the time, RTOs will provide physical trainings or face-to-face classes. So it depends on your course structure and your workflow. If you are offering that to allow students to visit your school or visit your college, then hit yes. Or if you only focusing on online delivery, then no. In my case, I'm going with yes. So here you can add the areas where you are, like if you are in Perth, you can add Perth, Melbourne and surrounding areas. So this will be good in terms of local visibility, but that thing is optional, it's up to you. Next, you have to add your contact details, your phone number, website, chat options. Like if you have WhatsApp business, you can select that, or text message so students can directly text you on this number. Another thing is, once you add your phone number, they will verify you by sending you code on your phone number and you have to paste. So by this way they will verify you. In my case, I'm just going to skip that, but in your scenario you have to add your real phone number, real website, and that text message phone number. Once you add here, students will text you, or if you have WhatsApp business, you can add that, select that and add your number, right? Once you fill that, you have to click next, and I'm just skipping that. Next, I already told they want to verify your phone number, so you have to add your real phone number and hit next, and it will verify you. In my case, I'm just going with verify letter. Next, you have to add your business hours. Either you are open 24 hours or selected days Monday to Friday. Next, you have to add your business hours. It depends if your organization is available from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. or it's available on weekends or whatever. I just added that for an example, so you have to adjust it according to your real time availability. Hit next. Next, here you have to add your business description. In my case, I am just pasting mine pre-written, and I'm just gonna paste it in. Aim for 200 to 5 or 600 words. Mention your courses, your location, what makes your RTO different, and write it naturally. Don't stuff keywords in, just write it the way you would explain it to a student. So I'm just going to paste that, but in your scenario you have to add your own description, and I have explained what you have to add. Mention your courses, your locations, and what makes your RTO different, right? Hit next. Here you have to add your front store image. It's like when you create your Facebook profile, you add two images, one is DP and one is cover picture. So you have to get that concept. Like if you click at example, you will see that how this is looking. So you have to add a storefront photo. It will count as your organization picture, right? I'm just going to skip, but you have to add this one. Next, that thing is very important. Photos and the data on this is genuinely filled. Businesses with 100 plus photos get 520% more calls and 2717% more clicks than profiles with barely any photos. So here we are talking real photos, your campus, your classrooms, your trainers, students doing coursework, reception area, stuff that shows a student what it's actually like to study with you, not stock images, cause Google can detect those and they don't build the same trust. And regarding size, minimum size is 800 by 600 pixel, and this isn't a one-off. Keep adding photos over time, the more the better. So in your case, you have to upload the images, your trainers, your classroom, your receptions, everything you have to add here, and then click next. I'm just going to skip that, but you don't have to. Next, they are asking claim your $600 advertising credit, and it's just a promotion, so you can skip, then skip. And here in a start, I told you about verification. They will verify you with video plus your phone number. So once you click continue, it will redirect to that business profile that you have built for your RTO business. Congratulations, but it's not live. As you can see, your business is not visible to customers. Customers can't see your business information get verified to let them find you on Google. So to understand how to verify, it's very simple. You have to read that one, and mainly you have to record a video, and in that video you can understand what things are required. But mainly if I tell you, you have to show your business card, and on that card it must have contained the correct name of your organization, correct address, and the real office, and the real street address where your office exists, and that address must match that you have added here, and few other things. So you can study here, and then you have to record, also verify your through with your phone number. So once you submit your video and verify your phone number, within a week or two, your Google business profile will be live. And that's your Google business profile set up properly. Specific category, all fields filled in, real photos, and once it's verified and live, students searching for courses in your area are gonna start finding your RTO in Google Maps and local search results. That's all. I hope you understand how you can create Google business profile and set it up correctly. Check a like if this helped and subscribe for more every week. See you in the next week. Till then, take care.